Welcome to Agronomeet. In this video we will see how to import and apply a calendar to a specific crop. But first, let's see what are the benefits for farmers to create and use calendars. The first benefit is that when you create your general calendar, you can assign it to any crop. We will see how. We can see our crop here. We click on Edit, Tools, and we can see there's no calendar installed, so we click on Install Calendar and we click on the calendar that we just created, Testing Calendar 1. We can change the date and click on Install. The calendar has been successfully installed. Another benefit for a farmer to have a calendar is that you can easily modify the calendar and even duplicate it and modify the second version. So let's see how. So we want to modify and duplicate the testing calendar 1. So we have to go to the knowledge base and click on calendars and find our testing calendar 1. So if we want to edit it, we just click on it and we can modify any field we want. We can delete items or add days and products and components. We can change the operation type, the cultivar, the name, add a description, and we can easily duplicate it. Now we have a copy, so instead of editing the original testing calendar 1, we will edit the copy. Just as an example, click on Save, and the new calendar that we will call Testing Calendar 2 will be saved. Another benefit for farmers is that you can share the general calendar with other farmers. Another very important benefit is that you can assign the calendar with any date you wish. In this way, the general calendar will become a field calendar, which is like a digital assistant that will remind you all the operations to be executed, and very important thing, it will recalculate the right doses of the products that you will apply. How do we do this? Well, we go to Actions. We can see that the calendar has been added with the 2 activities that we have included in our calendar when we have created it. So now we can either skip or snooze or run it. We click on Run, and we can even change the quantity of a product that has been applied in the field. And then we go ahead and choose a template to create our operation. We add another user and create our operation. If you haven't watched it yet, I invite you to watch the video on actions or operations, which will be linked in this video. Another very important feature of the calendar is that the field calendar will keep track of all the executed operations and will generate new time series with the products used. Let's see an example. To do so, we have to go to Data. So here we can find our time series with the data corresponding to the scheduled operation and the executed operation. So here you can see, going back to the scheduled operation, we can see that we had scheduled 1 liter peppermint essential oil, That was the scheduled. And then we actually changed it to 0.5. So I really want to stress how important this is, because it will really help you keep track of all the operation executed with the actual quantities of the products applied. We have already seen in the simple operation that we just created that we added another user to the flow. So this is very important for larger farms. The field calendar will allow you to create a process flow which will make assigning and managing field operations more efficient.